Hello, Alexandria users. The Alexandria Dream Makeover is finally here. Did you know that we have a whole page dedicated to the Dream Makeover on our support center with tons of information and even a few videos? Be sure to check it out for all the details. The Dream Makeover isn't all that we've been working on though, so let's take a look around at some of the other improvements we've been making. First, let's talk about the dashboard. While you've always been able to modify the dashboard to easily access the most frequented areas of the program, it was shared with the whole account. But now you can set your own customized dashboard from the user settings. Do you like sending your patrons an email of their patron details? To make things easier, we've added the QN circulation command to quickly send off the email without you having to open patron details. Have you ever been asked to look up what titles are included in a specific series? You can always use the items management to do the search, but did you know that you can now perform a series lookup in circulation using the S command? You can also click on the series volume on the current item pane to have the search done for you. If you've ever wanted to weed your collection based on title rather than copy information, do we have the report for you? Introducing the Weeding List by Title report. Run this report to first identify titles that may need weeding, and from there, choose the specific copies to weed. You can select by genre, publication date, and more. On the Options tab, choose how you want to sort the information, whether or not to include cover art, and if you want to exclude items with awards. Some other report improvements include the monthly checkout per patron report now shows totals and lets you sort by those totals. This means you can see A, which patrons are not using their accounts so you can remove them, and B, what patrons haven't received required materials at the start of the year. You can now run the top borrowing patron report and limit your selection by item policies and mediums. We added the option to include cover art in the coming due items notice report when using the email format. There's a new selection on the Copies Not Inventoried report for copies last used between to perform inventory more efficiently. We've made some changes to the overdue items or unpaid charges information report, including rearranging the selections, simplifying the options, and cleaning up the formats. For our textbook tracker users, you can now include the copy tag value when you are printing your textbook barcode labels. You can now modify your time zone settings by going to Preferences, Setup, Localization, and Time. Do you have title records with duplicate mark tags? Run the Remove Duplicate Mark Tags utility to quickly remove exact duplicate mark tags in multiple titles for quick in-house cleanup. We've been giving Scout a little extra love. While in Builder, choose to either show or hide the copy location and series information. We've also added more styles, giving you more customization abilities. That's all for now. Don't forget to sign up for our release notes to stay up to date on updates and new features.